back to the channel. I've got Omar here from the tyre shop next door. He's come to say hello. I need some tyres on this car. That's my LCI BMW 325i. Omar from the tyre shop you're gonna get me a tyre, right?
I give you a tyre, good one. Half new, half second hand, good one.
No problem.
It's okay, man.
All right, man. So guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're back on my E92 LCI. If you remember, I got this car about 2-3 months ago. It had some suspension damage and it had 2 giant gouges right down either side. I've had a lot of issues, kind of like both in my personal life and on the channel. Some of it was well documented here, so I've had to put a break on this build, the Golf R build and some of my other builds, but slowly we're starting to get back on top of everything, and this episode is the episode we're going to be finishing this car. Let me show you around the car to jog your memory because I know it's been a while. Let's check it out. So this is the LCI BMW. Remember, I've got 2 of these. This is the blue one, I've got a black one. And if you remember, on this side, we had some suspension damage to this area right there. I still need to get a new alloy right there, but I went ahead and I replaced this wing. And if you remember, in the last episode on this one, I changed the door as well. And we also did the bodywork on the rear end of the car. Now, I've got the replacement cover for this little bad boy sitting in the car, so I'm gonna fix that. I've got to take care of this side as well. And in this episode, guys, we're gonna be spraying this car. We're gonna be getting this car to look 100%, looking all nice. If you remembered, in one of the previous episodes as well, I ripped out this dashboard and I refitted the iDrive dashboard. I done the configuration, the coding, all the wiring, everything. That is great. I literally just need to give it a nice clean. Because I changed that door, I need to put that door panel onto that door right there, get everything inside looking nice. So guys, without wasting any more time, the Salvage Nation way, we're gonna get the car inside. We're gonna start to sand down this primer that we put on in the last episode, finish off the bodywork, get the car prepped for paint. We're gonna be laying down some paint. Then I gotta take care of the minor bits and bobs. I gotta replace a wheel speed sensor and just, yeah, fit some minor bits and bobs. I'll show you that later. Get this car looking to 100%, and then this car's gotta go. So let's go. So guys, with the car in place, just like this. Come on guys, no. That's not the Salvage Nation way. Cue the music. Right guys, so have a look at that. We've spent a couple of hours kind of sanding everything down. We've now water sanded it and now there's no gap, there's no lip. It's completely smooth right there. We're gonna do that with the rest of the car, do it all the way around, clean it up, put some more primer. You know, it's a lot of work in this thing, but we're gonna get this car looking mwah by the end of this episode. Let's continue. What are you having?
It's not haram, this one, zero alcohol.
Zero Corona. So we don't drink Corona bit.
Zero.
Bit of energy before the paint. There you have it, people. It's about a week later. Have a look behind me. Take a look at that. You know what? Let me know what you think of this color in the comments down below. The car is painted. I've been waiting so long to get this car painted, but it's painted and I'm happy with the results. I know that a lot of people are gonna get onto me and say, I don't have a booth, or it's not in a paint booth, or it's not in the oven. Listen, you can get some really good, amazing finishes without either of those things. It just means there's a lot of extra work sanding it, and it just means it takes a lot longer to dry. But you can still get some amazing finishes without those things. Saying all of that, I am happy. The car is done. We're going to be selling this car. So if any of you guys are interested, drop me a message on Instagram. This car is going to be up for sale in about a week or so. I'm going to be getting rid of this car and pumping the money straight back into the channel. Probably get a new build or something. So if you're watching this, you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Guys, I need you. If you're subscribed to the channel, make sure your bell notifications are on. I've got an email off YouTube, and the majority of my subscribers, they're watching the views late. So, and that's affecting the channel in a negative way. So if you're watching this and you're subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and make sure your bell notifications are on, so you get a notification when I post a new video and you can watch it when I post a new video. Anyway, this is where we're going to be leaving it. Stay tuned for the next episode. We got a video yesterday, you're getting a video today. I'm going to be just pumping out a lot of these little jobs, getting them out, and we're going to be focusing on the Golf R. Got an announcement to make on Sunday, so stay tuned for that episode. And remember, when I get to 10k, I'll be doing a massive giveaway. I've shown it before, but it's a turbo and a panel and trim removal kit. I'll be giving those away for free once we get to 10k. So if you're watching this, you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And like I always say, guys, keep it moving. And like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.